Using Rocket Money Bank Connection is a straightforward and efficient way to manage your finances. To begin, it is essential to understand the benefits of connecting your bank account to Rocket Money. This connection enables you to track your spending, create a budget, and set financial goals all in one place. First, you need to link your bank account to Rocket Money, which is a secure and simple process. Once connected, Rocket Money will be able to import your transaction data, allowing you to view your income and expenses in real time. This information is then used to provide you with personalized budgeting recommendations and financial insights. One of the primary advantages of using Rocket Money Bank Connection is that it saves you time and effort. By automating the process of tracking your finances, you can focus on other important aspects of your life. Additionally, Rocket Money uses advanced algorithms to categorize your transactions, making it easier for you to identify areas where you can cut back and save money. Another key benefit of using Rocket Money Bank Connection is that it helps you stay on top of your finances. By receiving notifications and alerts about your account activity, you can quickly identify any suspicious transactions or potential issues. This enables you to take prompt action to protect your accounts and prevent financial losses. To get the most out of Rocket Money Bank Connection, it is crucial to regularly review and update your account information. This ensures that your financial data is accurate and up to date, allowing you to make informed decisions about your money. Furthermore, by taking advantage of Rocket Money's budgeting tools and resources, you can create a personalized financial plan that aligns with your goals and objectives. In conclusion, using Rocket Money Bank Connection is a valuable tool for managing your finances effectively. By connecting your bank account and taking advantage of Rocket Money's features and resources, you can streamline your financial management, reduce stress, and achieve your long-term financial goals.